Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Kinza and welcome to our channel Doctor's Talk. In this video, I'm going to talk about very important and very common disease which is called malaria, and this is the disease which is caused by being bitten by a mosquito. It is very quickly spreading kind of disease and it should be treated on very urgent basis because it could be life-threatening kind of disease. So the people who are at risk of this disease are children, the pregnant women, the people who are over 65, and the people who have weak immune system, and the people who have no spleen. What are the symptoms? Symptoms are like high temperature, chills, fever, and being very tired and sleepy, being very sick, tummy pain, diarrhea, loss of appetite, muscle pains, sore throat, coughing, difficulty in breathing. Let's talk about its treatment plan. So treatment includes antimalarial drugs and it should be treated on very urgent basis because it's a life-threatening kind of disease, and malaria can sometimes come back and will need to be treated again. If this happens, please contact to your GP as early as possible. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned with us. Don't forget to subscribe our channel Doctor's Talk.